I'm going to show you how to record your webcam and your computer screen at the same time using OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's open, you'll need to create a new scene. To do that, click the plus button in the bottom left corner and give your scene a name. I'll call mine Webcam plus Screen, then click OK. With your scene created, go to the Sources section. This is where you'll add both your webcam and your screen. Click the plus button and start by adding your webcam. Select Video Capture Device, give it a name, I'll name mine Webcam, and click OK. Then choose your webcam from the list. Make sure it's properly connected. If it doesn't appear, there may be an issue with the connection, drivers, or the device itself. Once selected, click OK. Your webcam will now appear on the screen. You can resize and reposition it however you like by dragging the edges. I'll make mine smaller and place it in the bottom left corner. Now let's add your screen. Click the plus button again and select Display Capture. You can keep the default name and click OK. Choose your preferred capture method. I'll use Windows 10, and then select the monitor you want to record, especially important if you're using multiple displays. Click OK. At this point, your screen will be added, but your webcam might disappear. That's because the screen layer is on top. To fix this, simply drag the webcam source above the display capture in the sources list. Now your webcam will appear on top of your screen. And that's it. You're now recording both your screen and your webcam at the same time. To start recording, just click Start Recording. If instead of recording your entire screen, you want to capture only a specific window, click the plus button, choose Window Capture, click OK, and select the window you want to record. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to support the content.